use of stop-loss and take-profit orders. You've placed a stop-loss order for 100 pips below the entry price and a take-profit order at 100 pips above the entry price. The price drops by 100 pips. It arrives at the exchange rate for which you've set the stop-loss order. The stop-loss goes into action and the transaction is automatically closed. And as the transaction closes, the exchange rate goes back up by 200 pips. After 2 days, you do a similar transaction. The market falls and the transaction is automatically closed at the stop-loss point. It drops another 10 to 15 pips and then rises again by 250 pips. At this point, you're telling yourself, if only I'd moved the stop-loss limit a little lower, I wouldn't have got out with a loss of $100. I would have come out with a profit of $100. After a few times of this happening, and believe me, it happens a lot, you break and you say to yourself, for the next transaction, I'm moving the stop-loss limit another 20 pips, a total of 120 pips. You start a transaction with the new stop-loss limit. The price goes down by 110 pips and then makes a U-turn and rises, and you end the day with a profit of $100 instead of a loss of $100. You were satisfied because you moved the stop-loss limit by 20 additional pips and you made money. Great. The next day, the exact same thing happens, and the third day comes. The price drops and you move the stop-loss limit back to 150 pips and you make money. The fourth time it falls more and more and you move it to 200, 250, 300, 350, even 400 pips, and now you've lost $4,000. And you know that there's no chance the exchange rate will go back to where it previously was. You couldn't close the position at $300, so at $4,000 your hand will tremble. In addition, you're certain that there's no chance that the market will continue to move against your position all the time.